To Madam Chair, to my fellow cadets and cadets, to my worthy opponents. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Before I crash the shallow points of the government side, I would like first to rebut their points. And before that, I would like to remind the government side that this is a debate. They are not entertaining our point of information. How can we clash their points if they were not entertained, right? Next, the government side states that through social networking site promotes bullying. Let me explain this one. Let's say for example that some user, let's say in Facebook, some user will post in my post and my wall rather that you're so cute. Let's say that I'm embarrassed with that post, and even though it's true, I can easily delete the post. So that's the point. I can easily report that as spam and block the user to avoid bullying later. The Deputy Prime Minister said that the parameter of this debate, is defined. The motion is defined as 18 years old and below, which is not actually the definition being set by the leader of the opposition. To correct you, it is 18 years old below. You said also that minors are not allowed to work. Yes. Our point here, ladies and gentlemen, Madam Chair, is that those information in a Facebook, like employees or companies is for their career planning, for their near future. It is not for an abrupt. Then, so that was the rebuttals of mine rather. Let me proceed to my points. Ladies and gentlemen, social networking sites allow people to create new relationships and reconnect with friends and family. Increase communication, even online, strengthens relationship. For example, a certain child is far away from his parent. Through this social networking site, he or she can communicate his or her parent, and by that it will lessen his emotional stress or homesick with their parent. Now, next point, as what I started earlier, social networking sites promotes, help to plan the career of the minors. Why? Because in social networking sites, you can achieve their educational issues or any issues that could help to plan their career, to have a greater future. Yes, raise your point earlier. What's your point?
Okay. You mentioned about bullying, and you said that if someone will post that you are cute and you are embarrassed, isn't it a form of bullying? Isn't it a form of bullying? Now you will erase that. You are referring to yourself. How old are you, sir? You're not 16 years old. You're not 10 years old, 12 years old. Come on. Ages 5 to 18
seconds.
in a social networking site.
The POI is out of order, but still I will rebut your point of information if it's a point. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the first who mentioned bullying is not me actually. It is the government side. Now, my point is, even if some user will put something that embarrasses you, you can easily remove that post. How can be that a bully? It's just you can quickly delete it. Okay. Now moving on. Social networking sites also help the minors to express their feelings and emotions.
Confidence level ni
If
Dolendo.
a certain child or minor cannot express his feelings, his or her feelings with family, now these social networking sites will be the medium for him or her to express his feelings, to lessen the burden that he or she is carrying. Now, and also, next point, social networking sites gives information that updates what is happening in the society. As minors, they should be aware of what is happening, because it will serve as foundation. They will get those information to be used in the future. They can identify what is wrong or what is the right thing to be done when that certain situation come in his or her life. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is also one way of improving the education because it serves as an instant and quick communication with each other. Now, ladies and gentlemen, by the strong points of the opposition, we say that the motion of the government side is just a waste of time. Thank you.